Hi everybody, and welcome to our house. Today I'm going to be doing a very special checkup today. We're going to be doing it on Caleb. So this is my son Caleb. Say hi. And Caleb is 6.5 months, and he's been checked since he was birthed. But usually what we do is in the office, I usually get a question, one or two, at least a day, about whether or not we adjust babies and what does that look like. So today I figured might as well, he's due for his checkup. We're going to see how well he's doing, and I wanted you to see what that looks like. So one of the things that I use is this thing. It's called a thermoscope. So it's just going to use a little laser, and it's going to measure temperatures on either side of his spine. So we're going to check all through the top here, and they should be equal. Any deviation from normal or equal is a sign that there could be a subluxation. All right, so let's see what that looks like. So the tricky part with a baby is getting them to stay still. 1 second, dude. There we go. Good. So 6.1 on the right and 36.6 on the left. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? So that's a good sign that the spine is not in balance, and that's why we would do an adjustment. So just as an FYI, chiropractors don't adjust conditions. So he's not coming to me, or we're not checking him today because he's got a condition, a colic or whatever, name the condition. We're purely checking him today because he has the spine, and we want to make sure that he's growing up healthy. So we're going to do the adjustment. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we know it's at the top of his neck. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my favorite way to adjust, which is laying him on his back. Good job, buddy. Laying him on his back, and we're going to feel for that top one. Yeah. And then I found it on the right, so we can feel that. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold that there. How is that? And so as you can see, there's no hard adjustment, or it's probably not what you even thought it would be. It's just light pressure, and we're just holding it to which way we want the bone to start moving. And it's not that bad, is it, buddy? No. And we're gonna hold that until I feel it kind of just release. I can feel the tension kind of leave. And then what we're gonna do is then we're gonna check it again with the thermoscope to see if we've had the desired change, that we've restored the balance to the nervous system. How is that? Not bad, right? All right, I can feel it start to leave. Yeah, does that feel good? Yeah. Good job. Awesome. There we go. So I felt that kind of change. So now what we're going to do, bring him back up. And I'm simply going to just check him again. So let's see how he did. How did you think you did? All right, try not to move, buddy. Oh, that's not going to work. I know, 1 second. Good. Good. 35.5, 35.5. So if you look at that, that's on the one side. So you can see one there. And then let me just go back in the memory to the first one, and then 35.2. So he's well within the degrees that we're looking for, and that's how we know he's clear. So he's clear, and that's the adjustment. Pretty easy. That's it. He feels good. It's very painless, but now his spine's moving better. The other way, just in case, is we would use something like this called an activator. We would set it to a low setting, and it just implies a little bit of a push. Very light, so it wouldn't hurt them. And that would be the other way that some chiropractors like to do that, but I like to be with my hands. And that's an adjustment. If you have any questions about this or about chiropractic, whether or not chiropractic's right for you or for your family, feel free to leave us a message down below, and or you can reach out to the office. Talk to you soon. Bye.